Alright, what's up, Curiosity Crew? So today we are going to attempt to change the oil in the 1997 Toyota Century. It's got a huge oil filter and it holds 8.9 quarts, which by Mustang standards, it's actually kind of low for a V12, so let's get into it.
This thing is ridiculous. Look at the size of this. It's like as big as my head. It's got this protective film on here. It's already like lubed up on here, so you don't have to put additional oil on there. I'll put the link to what this is in the description, just so if you guys are doing the oil change yourself, you can find it nice and easy. We are using some Valvoline 5W20 high mileage synthetic. Yeah, kind of a fun fact, this is actually used on some of the old diesel Land Cruisers from what I understand. And yeah, no joke, it's about the size of my face. So the drain plug should be 14mm and the brace, which is kind of like this structural thing underneath, there's 4 bolts, those are all 10mm. So fun fact, it's actually not a brace. More of a shield than anything. So this is the front of the car. Basically, there's just 2 10s holding it on there. Your oil filter is just beyond that, right there. And then we got the oil drain plug right there, that's at 14. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this guy next. Again, just some 10s. Alright, we got those bolts off. You can see how this is just a little bit loose now. So, should be able to get up there and get that oil filter off. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get the drain plug off first. I think. I don't know. I should probably try to get that loose first. I'm gonna go get a tool to help out with that. So if these don't work, then I have to go and get a much bigger tool. Oh, this reminds me of doing the oil change on the 350Z with this plastic shield. Folding you down, brother. Yeah, slowly but surely, here we go. Yeah. Yes, sir. Alright. Oh, God. I think we found the max of these pliers.
Looks dangerous.
It's not. Oh, nice. Came right off. Love that. Oh yeah, we're ready to go. Alright, all the oil is almost drained out of that. Time to start getting this oil filter off more. Yeah, there we go. Looking better, man. Oh yeah, that thing's cracked loose. Alright. Yeah, beautiful. Oof. Oh no. We missed. There's so much oil in this. Oh man. Oh. Oof. Ugh, that's gonna be a thing to clean up. Good God. Yep. Got a little bit of juice on me. Yeah, that oil stain is probably not going to be coming out of the driveway for a long time. Should have put cardboard underneath, but I didn't think it was going to be that explosive taking the oil filter out, so viewer be warned if you're doing this yourself.
it can get a little squirty on here. Also, my camera got soaked in oil for probably the 32nd and a half time. It's getting a little dark out. I'm waiting for all that oil to drain out. It's taking a little while because it holds a lot of oil. But I want to make sure that that thing is nearly dry before we put in the new oil because it's a V12 and I don't really want to replace that. But yeah, essentially what we're going to do now is, if the camera can't catch it as the sun goes down, we're just going to do everything in reverse order. Should be nice and simple. Fill it up with 8.9 quarts. Call it a day.
I'm gonna go up to 20 foot-pounds of torque on this. I think the user says, or the manual says to go to 18, but 20 should be easy enough. And we're there.